Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to reduce PDF file size on Adobe Acrobat Pro. So first head over and launch your Adobe Acrobat. Then open up the PDF file that you want to reduce the size. Then next at the top left corner of your screen, click on Menu. Then hover your mouse on Save as Other. Then here you should see the reduced size PDF setting. So click on it. Now here, click on the drop-down menu and choose the Acrobat version that you want this PDF file to be compatible with. Adobe Acrobat will then compress this PDF file to make it compatible with your chosen version. Then once done, just click on OK and this will initiate downloading of this newly compressed file. Just give your new PDF file a name, then click on Save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!